Hello, my friends. Chances are you've already seen the club set that we released called Picnic to Stamp and the Dies That Match. Well, guess what? I have products that match these items that you're really going to want. Number one, dun 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 dun, a picnic table fold-it. I know, I showed you a sneak peek, but look at how adorable this little picnic table is. It comes even with 2 dies to make the tablecloth. Open and close it, live snow picnic. Look at how adorable that is. Yes, it fits in a 4¼ by 5½ A2 size envelope with things at the top. So just make sure that when you put things on the top of the table that it doesn't go too tall to fit in an envelope, but it will fit in an A2 envelope. Isn't it adorable? Now, the other item that I have is solids for picnic. So if you don't like to color, that's me, I don't like to color. I like the solid pieces. So now I can stamp a different color in my solid pieces, and then I get the look of color, but without the mess. And I've even added watermelon here because, you know, we need watermelon at our picnic. And then it says, we are happy as an ant at a picnic. We are so sorry. Life Snow Picnic, you are a breath of fresh air. So mix and match those stamps. Now I have some fun samples to share with you. I also have, and I'm really excited about this, this is one of those things that Stephanie did without talking to Ken first, and that happens quite a lot in our lives. I tend to just, one of those things, it's better to ask for forgiveness than ask permission. Guilty. But this is one of those times. I remember a rainbow stamp and die set that came out. It was a club set. I think it came out last summer. And I wanted an enamel pin like that rainbow set. And I thought, what better way to do it? I have the art. I have the connections overseas to get them made. So I had them made. Now look how cute they are. They're real enamel pens. And they have the little backing on them. And I have nails now because of HSN. So let's see if I can get this off because of my nails. Ooh, there we go. You pinch it and then it comes off like a normal enamel pen. But then, look at this. I can wear it. So let's put it on my shirt. Hopefully I don't mess with my microphone. How adorable is this? Now, you're all thinking, I want one of those. Well, guess what? I wanted one for myself and maybe one for Faylene. I had to buy 1,500. That's my life. And so Ken says, what are you going to do with those? And I said, I don't know. I just wanted one for me and one for Faylene. And he said, well, you better do something with them. So I need you to buy them if you want to. You don't have to if you don't want to. We did start selling them in the booth a couple months ago. Chances are you might have one already, but I thought it'd be fun. We have a stamp set and now we have a little rainbow pin to match. So just so cute. I'm going to wear it the rest of the day. Now, let's look at our samples. Are you ready? I have some picnic samples that are going to knock your socks off. So here's a cute little one, and I'm going to set up a couple of them because they're all on fold-its. If you're not familiar with the fold-it line, oh, this one folds on the other side. If you're not familiar with the fold-it line, go check out the website, and you can find out how to make these awesome dies, but look at how fun they are. You can add anything to them. It doesn't have to be a picnic, but look at this one. Use the Steffi doll and put it in a bigger envelope if you want to, or you can add the peanut butter and jelly if you want to, or oh my gosh, here's those ants. I'm telling you, I love those die cut ants. I just think they're too dang cute. So there's one. Let's see what else I have. Oh, here's another one. I'm telling you, just by adding different accessories, you're completely changing it each time. Here's one with the solid. So this is using the solid watermelon and the solid for the lemonade glass. So now you can put Coke in there, you can put lemonade in there with the solid stamp, so you don't have to worry about coloring. Oh, here's one with the corgis. So we got to have our little lemon corgis in there. I get to see Lemon today, by the way, my grand dog. And here's some cute hello. Oh, hello. Isn't this the awesomest thing you've ever seen in your life? Vanessa even decorated the back of this one. So cute, and it says hello my friend on the inside, but with our little bear Pudgy. I love him. Oh, look at this, all the solids. So now you have solid stamps, so you can be halfway done before you even start because you have solid stamps to do it. Isn't it fantastic? Here's a cute one. I like this, a red picnic table. I like the red picnic table. That's fun. Oh, here's a cute one using the solids again. Now, club members, of course you get the club discount on these. If you're not in the club, go check out the club because you are missing out and you want to get 15% off of these, or 20% if you join the Gold Club. Go check out the gallery if I went a little too fast on these, and if you come visit us at a show, go check out our tab that says events, and you can find out where we're going to be next. You never know if I'm going to be in a town near you, and we'll have some of these samples and you get to see them up close in person, which is even more fun. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.